for which process I have given. You can see all month on the successfully configured. So guys, you can see how to install first Linux and how to configure the memories, CPU, network, and now which we have taken successfully through the PC. PC is the tool we can directly we can take the session through the server. Okay. So guys, now I have prepared. Let's start for the MySQL configuration and MySQL installation. So I have prepared some documents, and these documents we will follow. Sure. This steps I have prepared this documents and some steps, so methods. Through this, we will install the MySQL database and configure. So I will follow these steps and I will show you. Okay, so now you can see here connected for RHEL 7.9. I'm successfully connected. Okay, now RHEL 17 and now server that git 1204 error. So this will be. So he is telling to this create some user. Okay, some sudo is not required. So before, if you are creating any other user and then that user we don't have access to, that's why we required sudo. But we are already in group, so not required. I'm just creating this command and installing this repository. You can see 1.80 community release EL 17.9. Okay, and this is 1.3. So I will install 5.7 repository MySQL. So I will follow the first one and install this. Okay. So I'm going to the root. Okay, wait a second. Which is this? I'm going to assembly. Okay. Now I am just putting this and install this repository. Okay, plugin. You can say some repository download. Okay, why? Now it is successfully download community MySQL. Okay. So what is the second step? So you can download also this. So whatever required from the repository, so it should be easy for the installation. Okay. From this logging this plugin and downloading this repository. We are installing MySQL database. So steps I will also attach in this comment videos comment, so you can find it. And if any doubt and any problem in facing your configuration, you can ask directly in your question in my comments. So I will reply on that video. Okay. You can say it will taking time, some repository, and this is the community connector, MySQL connectors communities, and it is getting installed, and so it will take time, and once completed, I will continue. Yes, so one error and package, there no package match to upgrade. Okay, and here is finished. Finish the dependency and resolutions error community 180 release to lead with the 157 marks. Okay, some which are not required, so it is not installed. Okay, now I will some clean yum and will patch it. So this is a command. So we can clean this our patch and not required. Just I'm cleaning. Okay. So as it is your steps, we have prepared, so you have to follow these steps. Okay. So easy to use. So here is a which make patches, which is remove. Okay. And if required, it is getting download make patch. You can see out of 18 it already done downloaded of 18. So once it's complete, it get out from the session. So that what is the next step we can see. And here you can see verify the MySQL repository is enabled or not. Okay, so that is the command where we can see the MySQL enable or not. Okay, then we could enable and with MySQL. Okay, repo list. So all this will be enabled list will be given, which are enabled. Okay, if not enabled, so we have to enable it. But okay, now metadata classes muted. Okay, now you can see the repository list we can see here. So you can see already the repository level list here given. And then you can see. Okay, so no need to worry about this and come to this next point. Okay, so recommended disable unwanted MySQL repo. Okay, so here if you not required, so just measure and this command you can. Okay, disable MySQL and enable Python 7. Okay, so this is the here is disable from MySQL 8.0 and enable it. Okay, just we will do this as it is because we have required on Python 7. I'm just going to because just do that. Now I'm going to install that is the main command where we will installation. So it will be install MySQL. Okay. I'm just going to install command. So that is the main command where we will install the database and it will be take time. So here you can see downloading the packages. After that it will be installed through the RHEL. So you can see the very simple way you can install MySQL database. Uh, you can see still the installation is going on. Yes. Okay, guys. So here now successfully. Hello, guys. You can see now here we have successfully installed MySQL database. Okay. The installation is completed. You can see what is the dependency installed and what is the community installed in our database. That's it. Now come to the 7 point. What is the next step? Installation is completed. Now I will install. So I will also we will check system CTL status. So status MySQL DB. Okay. So that is a command. We can check the status database is up and running or not. So I will show you our database is being completed, but DB is currently inactive. DB is currently inactive. Hello guys, so here you can see our database is currently not started, but installation is successfully completed. You can see our MySQL database. Okay, so now here status is you have checked. So now check, now I will start my database. So is not required because already I am logging from root. So if you are using from your account, okay, no problem. So we will keep it as it is. So you can use it from machine. So here we will start the database. Okay, you can see I'm going to start my database. Okay, now again we have checked the status of database. Okay, you can see here now our database is started and up and running. Okay, so installation is completed. Database we have started. Okay, so now I have enabled some system integration. So just I'm enable it. Okay, services, right? Now come to this. Here, get the temporary root password, MySQL database. So we have required our root password, temporary root password need it says because we have to log in the database and I'm going to log in database. So there we have required a root password. Okay. So for root password, you can show this is the temporary, get the temporary password, get the temporary root password, default password is to be wrong. Okay. So here we can see temporary password we have login. Okay. We can see here our root temporary password is here. Okay. And I'm going to log in the database and that we have put this temporary password. Okay. Asking for the set the okay. I will install secure. So that is the let me see that. Here, this command we can secure, remove test database, disable the anonymous user, disable remote login. So we can this command you can use for this your okay. So I'm going to root login. Root. So this is our root password, which is already okay. Now I will put the database password. Okay. So he's asking, change the root password, press yes, why? Yes, I'm want to change. Yes, now root password. Okay. If you want to remove and wanted no, so I will any other key. Okay, not required. This allows remote login. No, I'm just testing. We are creating for testing purpose, so that is the security is not required. Just if you want to secure, so no one want to take a remote of this session or access database, so you can just disable this. But here is also remove the test database access to it. No, we're just testing purpose. And remote privilege table now, no, not required. I'm just pressing enter. Okay. So I'm successfully set my database password and I will log in my database and I will show you I can do okay, what is the root? I can see. Okay, now I will log in my database. I will show yeah. Now you can check show databases. Yeah, you can see here our successfully installation completed and we have successfully logging in database. And I will create one database and create one table and one record so you can understand how to work database, MySQL database, how to work. Okay, I'm just prepare one also one script. So here just I'm creating my database. My database name is my DB from company DB. Okay, just inserting this and you can see and then you can share your database. Yes, you can see here my company DB is created, database is created. Okay, now use and you can use database is this database. Okay, and now I will create one table. So this this is my table. Create employee table. I will create this temporary purpose. I'm just for knowledge. I'm creating one table employee. Okay. So I'm just creating table employee. Okay. So I will just show table. So tables you can see employee table is created. Okay. And I will show you there is a no recording table. Select from employee. Okay. I'm just selecting, but there is no record. But I will insert one record. I have this insert one record or just for knowledge purpose. I'm just inserting one record in this database. Okay. Now commit. I'm inserted after this commit. Now select count employed. Okay, you can see three recording inserted because I have insert three records here. You can see. So that is the part successfully we have created one database and password and how to create database. That is our tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you